Hello, I'm John, and this is Just the Gearhead, and I have a bit of an announcement for you guys, so stay tuned. So like I said, I have a bit of an announcement for you guys today. I actually am announcing that I have merchandise for sale. There will be four designs, and these designs will be available on various types of shirts and cell phone cases, coffee mugs, all types of other stuff, art prints and whatnot. The first design will be the Just the Gearhead logo that you see at the beginning of these videos, with the skull and with Just the Gearhead written over top of it. The second design is going to be just the Gearhead skull, but that one will be available on t-shirts as a little, like just a lapel type logo. And that'll be also available on cell phones and all the other stuff. Next one will be the 56 Special shirt, which is a reference to the Buick, which is a 1956 Buick Special. So it says a 56 Special and has a image of the front of the car. And then the one after that is the Nailhead shirt. The Nailhead is the motor that was available in 56. Actually, I think it was available from mid-50s to late 60s in most Buick vehicles. And on this shirt, it says Buick in an old Buick script, something they used to use in their advertisement. And then Nailhead, and underneath is a photo of well, not a photo, but an image of a Buick Nailhead with a 6x2 intake setup. So 6 two-barrel carburetors, which is kind of a hint of where I want to take the motor for this car. Anyways, so go check those out. I'll put a link in the description below. And like I said, each image is going to be available on shirts, hoodies, tank tops, iPad cases, phone carrying cases, or laptop carrying cases, I think. Coffee mugs, art prints, wall hangings, all that type of stuff. So yeah, go check it out. All proceeds from any merchandise sales will go towards the projects and the expansion of this channel. And hopefully we'll be able to get some more videos out sooner for you guys. All right, so that's it, and I'll talk to you guys next time.